Hey guys, welcome. Here I am out here on the back porch, about to do some grilling, and got some royal oak, last bit of it. Today we're going to do some pork loin. I'm excited about this. As many of you are aware, it's 2020. We got the full-on lockdown, quarantine going on all over the world, specifically here in the States. Down south is no different, so we're going to take this opportunity to cook some delicious food, because of course, gotta light the chimney. Okay, we're not going to do anything fancy. We just got some paper towels soaked in some oil. Down here, we'll light this up and just let it get going. We'll let that do its thing. In the meantime, let's go season up the meat. All right, so here we are with our meat, and we are going to keep it really simple today, okay? It's been a long week, it's been a lot happening, so we're just gonna keep it simple. We got the pork loin right here, and we're just gonna go with some Cabela's dry seasoning. This was given to me as a gift by some good friends of ours, so we're just gonna season it liberally. I've also taken the opportunity to cut some of the fat off of this. Just gonna sprinkle that all over. All right, we about got this guy nice and seasoned. I'm going to do things a little bit differently than I normally do. I'm just going to leave it in that glass pan when it's time to go on. Okay, these coals are plenty hot, so let's go ahead and dump them in. Oh yeah. Hear that? That's how you know that fire is hot. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is just add some hickory chips. Because we want that smoked flavor. That's why we use the Primo. Just a few chips. That's probably too many chips, but I like it smoky. And then we're going to set up for indirect cooking. We're actually going to go pretty hot this time around. We're going to go at 350 instead of our normal 225, because we're just going to cook this. We're not going to actually smoke it. And that is hot. So we're going to close this and let the fires die down a little bit, and then we're going to put our plates in. Okay, we should have killed some of those flames. Let me throw these D plates on, and that way we can hurry up and get our meat going as well. Now you will notice this already has foil on it. The foil is dirty. That's okay. It's from a previous cook, obviously. But no problem. Put that on there just like that. Close this guy down. Next, of course, we need to add our grill surface. And then finally, we're keeping it simple. Just gonna put this guy right on top, just like that. Now, we want to run it at about 350 for between an hour and a half to 2 hours or so. So we're gonna set this guy up, make sure he's doing exactly what he needs to do, and we should come back in about an hour or two. Let me take a minute to wipe this grill down real quick. Sorry about that, everybody. Right here cooking with a dirty Primo. Now, you'll notice as I'm trying to clean this up how quickly the wet, the water, the moisture evaporates. It's because it's hot. Some people believe that a ceramic cooker is super duper insulated, so much so that you can just give it a hug while you're cooking. That's absurd. Thermodynamics still apply. If it's 300 degrees on the inside, it's gonna be hot on the outside, even if it's not exactly 300 degrees on the outside. It's still hot, okay? So you guys be careful. Make sure that you are safe when you're around these grills, because yes, of course, they do get hot. Right now, the temp's a little too high. Let's close this down just a little bit and see if we can cool it off a little bit. All right, so we're fighting some high temperatures here. We've been up to about 400, over 350, so that's obviously gonna shorten our cook time. But let's take a peek. Oh yeah, that's looking good. You can see we're already probed it once, and let's take another look. Okay, with about 130, 131 or so on my instant read, my thermal pen, and let's try over here as well. Okay, so we're up high about 140 on this side. We want to run this till about 150, so we're going to let it go for another few minutes, and then I think we'll be all set. I think in the meantime, let's turn this around a bit. That way you can see the other side. Oh my goodness. Sure wish you guys could smell this. It smells delicious.
Dad, is it ready yet?
I don't know, baby girl. Let's check. Smelling good. All right, let's check the temperature on this. A little over 150 here. Right around 150 here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Almost 150. There you go. So I'm going to pull this guy. I'm going to let him rest. And then it's going to be time to eat. All right, so we've let it rest for a little bit. Now let's cut into it. See what it looks like. The smell is amazing. Again, I wish you guys could smell it. Fortunately, you can't. Here, take a look at this. What do you think of that? All right, nice and steamy, still really juiced, juicy, really moist. What do you think, baby girl?
Oh yeah. Doop.
All right. Thanks. Here, let's plate it, and then I'm hungry. How about you?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I need a bigger slice though.
We'll get you a bigger slice. Hang on. Dinner is served. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video. Don't forget to make your comments and subscribe.